Want to download and watch offline videos on TikTok? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can watch offline videos on TikTok. It's super easy, but before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. What's not to watch offline videos on TikTok is just need to open up the TikTok application from your phone, and for the TikTok homepage, tap on this profile icon near the bottom right. Now once you're here inside the profile, go and tap on this three dot line at the top right, and then go and tap on the settings option at the top right. And from the settings and privacy, just need to scroll down a little bit from here, and on the cache and cellular, you'll get to see the first option, offline videos. You can tap on these and get to see no offline videos is available right now, so you can go and tap on download offline videos. You'll get to see the number of videos that you want to save as offline videos. So currently selected 15, so let's say I'm going to select 100, so you can select 150 and 200. So I'm going to select 100 for example, and then go and tap on download. And once you do that, this will take a little time. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. So if I get back from here and go to the offline videos again, he'll get to see the offline video is being downloading. So if I go to the settings, he'll get to see it's started downloading. And once the download has been done, you can watch all these offline videos without any internet connection. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.